Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Welcome everyone. So here we have made a micro project of LIC, that is linear integrated circuit. In this micro project we are going to learn about the sawtooth generator using operational amplifier. The micro project is made under the guidance of Professor P.S. Badade ma'am. The group members included in the making of the micro project are Chinmay Kate, Abhishek Hatagade, Nadaf Khalid and myself Shantanu Fadkale. So returning towards the micro project, the sawtooth generator using operational amplifier. First of all, we are going to learn what is an operational amplifier. An operational amplifier is a DC coupled high gain electronic voltage amplifier with a differential input and usually a single ended output. In this configuration, an op-amp reproduces an output potential that is typically 1 lakh times larger than the potential difference between its input terminals. Now, the components used in the circuit are the capacitor of 500 Nf, the resistor 1 with the value of 40K, resistor number 2 with the value of 100K, resistor number 3 with the value of 40K and resistor number 4 with the value of 5K. Now we'll see how to create circuit on multisim. First of all, we'll open Chrome and then search for multisim.com. On Multisim, we can create an account or can use pre-created circuits. After login, there will be three lines on the top right corner. After clicking on it, we will get a blank page. There will be different options on the left hand. From that, we will take a 3-terminal op-amp. Then we will copy the op-amp. Now we will take a resistor. Now we will connect the first terminal of the resistor to the non-inverting terminal of op-amp. Then connect the second end of resistor to the output of second op-amp. Now we will take another resistor and connect it to the output of first op-amp. Then we will take a diode and connect it to the output terminal of first op-amp. Now we'll take a resistor and connect it to the second terminal of the diode. Now we'll take another diode and connect it to the output terminal of first op-amp. Now we will take a resistor and connect it to the second terminal of the diode. Now we will take a capacitor. Now we will connect the terminal of capacitor to the resistor number 4. Now we'll connect the another end of capacitor to the output terminal of op-amp. Now we will take AC voltage supply and connect it to the second terminal of first op-amp. Now connect the ground supply to the AC voltage. Now we will take another ground supply and connect it to the non-inverting terminal of second op-amp. Now we will set values. The value of R1 is 40k ohms. Now the value of R2 is 100k ohms. The value of R3 is 40k ohms. The value of R4 is 5k ohms. Now the value of capacitor is 500 UF. Now the voltage of supply is 3.5 volts. Now take a look at the circuit. We have finished the circuit. Now it's time to run the circuit. We can see the circuit is working properly and the sawtooth waveform is forming.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.